Hi, Chris Lamm, mortgage banker. It's early March and this is our market update. Got a couple topics we wanted to talk about this month. First of all, starting with the market. In February and March, we've really seen the activity go up here in Shasta County, and this is a trend that I know for certain is a statewide trend as well as throughout the nation. There's a couple reasons why this is happening. Now, historically, this time of year is the time that most sellers bring their homes to the market. A lot of people through the winter kind of hunker down, so to speak, and wait until the first few sunny days of March and February to start thinking about listing their home and buying their next house, and we are certainly seeing that. And right now we're also seeing kind of a mimic of last year and the year before in that there is a shortage of inventory here in Shasta County as well as the rest of the nation. So right around 90 days or less inventory, and what that has done is it's created a really strong market once again, and we're seeing a lot of activity. Now, you wouldn't have seen this in December and January, as we had kind of lower numbers, and a lot of people in the industry were a little concerned that we might be starting to see a slump, but a lot of that was due to that mortgage change that we've been talking about called TRID that pushed a lot of closings as it started in October, and so it pushed a lot of closings into January and February and even heading into March. So right now it's a very strong market. Over half the buyers that we're talking to in our office right now are first-time buyers that are still getting amazing deals, and interest rates are still really low. And so I want to talk about that for a second. So we talked about rates last month. We're going to usually touch on rates every single month, and I hate to be a broken record, but it is an important thing that we want to make sure we always touch on. Right now the 30-year fixed mortgage is right about 3.75%. And if you skip back to last year, this time last year, it was about 0.5% higher. And so that's an average of $150 to $200 a month that most people are saving buying this year versus buying last year, which is really a great opportunity. And so that's why I believe that a lot of first-time home buyers are back in the market, tired of renting, spending money on paying someone else's mortgage. So the other thing we're seeing a lot of is move-up buyers and people that are calling us and interested in listing their home and selling it and buying a bigger house or moving out into the outskirts of town with more acreage, etc. And so those are the things that we're focusing on this month. And if you guys have questions on any of this or anything else, refinancing, or if you think that any of this information would benefit someone we would love to be referred to people and you can call us anytime. So that's it for this month. If you guys need anything, the office number. You can also reply to this email. Have a great month.